Hi guys, good morning. Now I'm on my way to my favorite mountain statue here, guys. Doing the early morning jog because I need to really exercise, guys, to get rid of my bilbil because I'm guilty because I ate too much rice this last week. So time for me to burn some calories through walking and jogging. Good morning, Noah. Okay. O gato kumudong ato. Wow man, ani naman ko kami makita naman eh. Ay, gihangak na mo ko. Okay. Akaw. Ato, pati mata. My cousin. Sir.
Hello, good morning.
I'm doing my vlog YouTube and then at the same time I'm gonna send to my friends in the WhatsApp. This is his only unique iho. Hi, Noah.
Babay ka na, babay.
Noah. Oh, ganan sa ato ah.
At na may ganang
Truck. Meron atong matong truck.
Truck.
Ganahan mo po ko ani kay ma-relax mo tan-awan ang mga view na. Nice ka so tan-awan ng bahay ni Gino ba kay diyo mo maka sa lipod. O kay diyo ko na ni ani kana mga ana makita na po sa na sir. Agin so kuan gi-close ninyo. Tabay. Open na lagi na yung kuan.
Gi-close pero na pusit. Ug na mo
Oh,
ka na.
social na. Yun sa man mo kate.
Makina.
Ana kay ga kuan kag water pump. Kauso ko na ko.
Mga
Tuwa naman lagi si Romeo sa bahay.
batang lulong.
Oh, ja mo request mo siya nga gimingaw ko siya na lagi kitamis ko no.
Ano
Okay.
mga bata ikaw sana. Na may pusit ato dapit ano. Gawa.
Okay, gapay. Mura gibalhin man nila ag positive papi ko nana diya nila. Tuwa naman si Papa tugod pod. Dahil naman kay kuan na mi kay
Sa mga bata na yun.
kinsa.
Mga bata mo. Po ba yan?
O dili pa masaligan si Janila.
O sila yung mga lulong.
Tuwa man si Papa na to, bay.
Atuan.
Yatod din sa itong mga 5 days na siguro ron. Kay kada lagi ko nung maglisod sila magatod-hatod kay busy siya kay mag-agsa sige ba. Dahil ragoy kay basta mo kaon naman sa gulay, okay na no, kauganas. Kung ginalahi na pa ni pa kay ganas na mo pagkaon. Sige sir. Oh, masaka sa kware. Oh, the cow is still there. My goodness. Hi guys. I'm back to this place. Oh my goodness. Oh. There's a cow again. And I'm not wearing, today guys, I'm not wearing red. So I think I'm safe. I'm not wearing red. I'm wearing black. So I think he don't care. He didn't really care. Oh, the sunrise now. Oh, let's go. God, I'm wearing a little bit high shoes, so not easy because my shoes is wedged. Whew. 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 God, it's not easy, guys. Oh my God. Hi guys, welcome back here in our Virgin of Fatima, Virgin Mary of Fatima. And I love to come here because I'm waiting for the blackberries. They already have all the flowers. I'm sure by May this will be okay. The blackberries will turn to fruits in 2 months now. Hi. Hi guys. I will never get enough for this beautiful view. This one here. I'm waiting for the sunrise, guys. It's beautiful. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I'm gonna off my phone for a while because I want to offer prayers to our beloved Virgin Mary of Fatima. Thank you for watching, everyone.